Generally, a First Lady is the title for the wife of the President of the United States. A list of American First Ladies with relation and names. Martha Washington, June 2, 1731 to May 22, 1802, George Washington. Abigail Adams, November 22, 1744 to October 28, 1818, John Adams. Martha Jefferson, September 27, 1772 to October 10, 1836, Father Thomas Jefferson. Dolly Madison, May 20, 1768 to July 12, 1849, James Madison. Elizabeth Monroe, June 30, 1768 to September 23, 1830, James Monroe. Louisa Adams, February 12, 1775 to May 15, 1852, John Quincy Adams, however she was born in Great Britain. Emily Donaldson, June 1, 1807 to December 19, 1836, uncle-in-law Andrew Jackson. Sarah Jackson, July 16, 1803 to August 23, 1887, father-in-law Andrew Jackson. Sarah Van Buren, February 13, 1818 to December 29, 1877, father-in-law Martin Van Buren.